The hardwood meets the gridiron in this passing game we call end zone. Use a half-court size space. Use cones to create a rectangular playing area, then mark 2 end zones on opposite sides. Here's how it looks. Divide the group into 2 teams of 3, 4, or 5 and give 1 pennies. One team starts on offense, the other on defense. On your call,
we're ready, go.
The team on offense starts bringing the ball up the field, court, and into the end zone. Once they receive the ball, they're only allowed to take 3 dribbles before they must pass to a teammate. If there's an interception, the defense becomes offense and heads in the other direction.
Good job, girls. Go red, coming the other way.
After the offense scores a touchdown for 1 point, teams swap roles and continue playing. Play for a few minutes, then give teams a chance to huddle and reset their strategy in the next round. This is a great opportunity for teammates to find and create space for one another, working together to send the ball to areas of the floor with fewer defenders and more opportunities.
1, 2, 3.
Mojo!